Rahsaan Hall, Director of the Racial Justice Program of the ACLU of Massachusetts. The dismissal of around 95% of the Dookhan defendants is a significant racial justice victory. The fact that there are this many dismissals is significant because it's in proportion to the scope of the injustice and the transgression that occurred. When we think about the war on drugs and the impact that it has had on communities of color, we are reminded of the collateral consequences that impact people's lives. The inability to gain employment, the possibility of being deported, access to housing, all these things flow from having a criminal conviction. And the way that prohibition and law enforcement efforts around prohibition have targeted communities of color, have disproportionately impacted people's ability to thrive in these same communities. When we think about Massachusetts, for instance, blacks and Latinos make up roughly 22% of the Commonwealth's population, but when you look at people who are serving sentences for mandatory minimum drug offenses, that number jumps up to 75%. So looking at the dismissal of these cases that were based on tainted evidence strikes a significant blow against the war on drugs and really undermines the waste of human potential that we continue to invest in. This dismissal really underscores the need to have greater integrity in the system, and it really serves a greater racial justice purpose.